Heavy snow is coming down in Chicago. Heavy snow is coming down in Chicago. The snow is coming down heavy in Chicago. There's a winter storm coming called Snowmageddon. People are getting ready. Snow plows are getting ready to plow the streets of Chicago. And the snow is starting to fall in Chicago around 6 o'clock at night. It's starting to blow. The snow is blowing hard. There's whiteout conditions. Take it slow. Cars are taking it slow. Snow is coming down in Chicago. Snow plows are out now. Plowing those streets. Clean those streets. Clean those streets. The fire department, the ambulances are on. The fire department is going on the calls, and the ambulances are going out. The fire department gets calls on the expressways because cars are stuck. The snow plows are out plowing the streets as the snow comes down heavier. They're predicting a foot of snow, 2 feet of snow as it hammers Chicago and the winds go up to 50 miles an hour. It is windy and cold, and the snow is coming down heavily as people are getting their snow blowers ready. Snow blow the driveways. As people are getting ready to get ready for that snowstorm. Schools are closed tomorrow. Businesses. As the snow is coming down heavier and heavier. It is coming down quickly, and it is windy, and it is hard to drive around. As the snowstorm comes down heavier, it is coming down heavier. As the snowstorm comes down heavier, the snow is blowing, and it is coming down heavier. Whiteout conditions. People are sliding all over the road. People are sliding all over the road. Snow plows. Snow plows are coming out. Heavy snow is coming to Chicago. Snow plows are coming out plowing the streets. They're putting salt down on the streets of Chicago, side roads, blowing the snow around. The snow is blowing around. There's salt companies out, salt in the streets. The snowstorm is coming down heavier and heavier and heavier. Whiteout conditions. It is hard to drive around in the snow. The dumpsters are covered in snow, 2 feet of snow. 2 feet of snow, 2 feet of snow, 2 feet of snow. The dumpsters are covered in 2 feet of snow.